Hey guys, Giver Info here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little bomb real fast. Okay, so you need a bottle like this. I should have the cap, but I'm only showing you a demonstration, so it doesn't matter. Take it and make like a funnel thing out of paper. And when you do that, you can put baking soda inside this, so it's easier. I just do that so that it doesn't get messy inside and all this stuff. So do that. What we're going to do is when the funnel's in, I'm not going to put it in because I don't care because I'm outside. Put the baking soda in. Alright, so you know what that should look like that. Oh, should look like that. So, then you're gonna take vinegar, and you're right there, and start pouring it inside the bottle. Should look like this. If I had a cap on, I could actually show you right now how good it would look. So, hold up. After that, you shake it up. Now, if I had the cap, it would be hard to press up against, which it should be. And then you take it, and then you throw it in the air really high. You have to be really high because to come down it has to hit hard, and it should explode perfectly. Thanks guys for watching. I'm gonna make more videos about all different kinds of stuff. So, rate, comment, and yeah, peace.